I know you won't believe me. That's why I'm doing this. Okay. Here. You see it on your own. Let's put it this way. Kita mo na. Siguro, no? Sensya na, may ubo ako eh. Ayan. Ito yung unang message niya. Here. And probably iniisip mo kasi niloloko kita. And sana by the time you read this, wag na akong madamay ha. Tapos nag-reply na ako niyan. Ito yung second message niya with my reply. Ayan. Oops. And I hope you can see this very, very clearly, Marvin dear. And sabi nga niya, "Hi there, honey. I miss you so much and I wanted to see you again. Can you please accept my private date with you?" Ang sabi ko, paka-pleasant ko magsalita, di ba? "Can you just please leave me alone? I have my own life now. Marvin Vinsky or Vince or whatever his name to you is yours. I left him for you. So can you please leave me alone now? I don't like you. Besides, I loved Marvin and I'm giving him to you. So just be serious with him and please take care of him. I love someone else. Bye and have a great time. Best regards, Paolo." O, diba? Pakabait ko pa. My God. Ito talaga ang kanya. Kaso, ay, teka. Ulit. Ayun, ito. Yan. Ito pala yung sagot niya. Ayan. "No, please don't do that. You know, Paolo, I like Marvin in bed. I could suck and fuck him whenever and wherever I want. And he's like my whore here in the Philippines. Besides, that crazy kid is craving for me. Wow. Oh. And I'm a good guy. I'm just giving him what he wants, my tasty dick. Wow. Sweet naman, ang sweet niya naman magmahalan. My God. Tanginang ay, siya to, naglalag ako. Ito yung lupit nga nitong hype na to eh. Kaka-online ko lang, message na kaagad. Nag-reply ako, reply siya kaagad ah. In fairness. Always and forever online ang puta. Excuse me. Reply ko sa kanya ito. Hina mo. Kakapikon kaya. Oops, hindi na yata kita. Usog. Ayan. Tarantado ka palang hayop ka eh. Tarantado ka palang kano ka bumalik ka ng Amerika, gago, putang ina mo. Reply ko sa kanya. nung ito yung message niya. Tapos, ito reply niya, "Ha, I can understand what you mean. I cannot understand Filipino well. You knew that, honey. Just give me a chance, I'll prove my love to you. I don't like Vince. He's just one of my toys here in the Philippines." Ay, nako, Marvin. Pinagsisiksikan mo yun. Nagpapauto ka naman sa hype na kanuna yan. Ano kayang magandang i-reply? Ay, nako, hindi ko na nga re-reply yan. Maubos lang oras ko dyan. My God. Excuse. Ay, tae. Stop ko na yung record. Dali. Tagal eh. Excuse me. May bagong picture pala sa MR. Ay, tae. Oops.